Hi guys, I am from MICROROBT. Please subscribe to our channel. Today we are watching how to install the Arduino software. Go to Google Chrome, then search Arduino. Then click the first one. Go to software and click downloads. Scroll down and if you are a Mac user, select Mac, and if you are a Windows user, select Windows. I am a Windows user, so I am selecting Windows. I already downloaded the Arduino software. Then click just download. Then click get. But I already downloaded. You click download and download it. Then you all go to downloads and search Arduino XC. Then you will see this. Then to click in that. But I can't install because I already installed it. You click all accept. There is no problem in this software. Don't forget to connect the Arduino when installing this software. Connect the Arduino and then install it. I think you all get a clear explanation from this video, and download the Arduino and subscribe to our channel MICROROBT and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.